What's happening, everybody on YouTube? Steve here, Rake and Profit over at rakeandprofit.com. Coming back to you with another video. I'm in beautiful, sunny San Diego right now, and I'm going to show you the view from my Airbnb. Absolutely breathtaking. One of the most beautiful, gorgeous, amazing views I think I've ever seen in my whole entire life. So, in any event, I wanted to make a video today about a question that I received. And I get questions all the time asking about how to start a business, in particular, an eBay business. So, in this video, as I try to talk over a helicopter going over this Airbnb that I'm in right now, I want to give you the 7 steps, all right? This is going to be a blueprint. Follow these 7 steps if you want to start an eBay business, especially if you don't have much money and if you're just on a budget, right? So I'm going to break down these 7 steps right now. So if you're ready to rock and roll, do me a big favor. Smash that like button down below. Show some love. And also let me know in the comments where you are from in the country right now. Do you guys have as beautiful weather as it is here in San Diego? I'm from Connecticut, and I'm just blown away by how beautiful it is. So step number one, you got to become committed. You've got to figure out why you want to start an eBay business. So many people think that starting an eBay business is easy. A lot of people preach, even some gurus, I mean, I guess not on eBay, but like drop shipping and like wholesale and private label. A lot of people think that like gurus will be like, oh, it's a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not. And the same thing applies with eBay, especially eBay. eBay is not even close to a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a job. It's a hustle. So if you want to start making money on eBay, whether that's $100 a month, $500 a month, $5,000, $10,000 a month, right? There's a lot of people out there making $4,000 to $5,000 a month on eBay. Regardless of what you're looking to achieve, if you want any amount of results, $500 to $10,000, it doesn't matter. You've got to be committed. You've got to figure out what your why is. Why do you want to start an eBay business? Are you bored? Did you just get excited one night? Because if that's the case, you're not going to be successful. But if you've got a burning desire to want to have freedom, if you've got a burning desire to want to pay for your child's college, right? Or maybe you have a burning desire to move out of your house, or you're sick and tired of clocking in and clocking out, that's the type of commitment, that's the type of burning desire in the pit of your stomach that's going to get you going. So that's the first thing. Get yourself committed, figure out your why. Number 2, sign up for an eBay account. It's easier than ever to sign up for an eBay account. All you got to do is pick a username, a password, put in your banking information. I think you need to put a credit card on as like a backup file as well. You're going to have to start a PayPal account. There's tons of free videos on YouTube that will teach you how to do that. A lot of people will say and ask, Steve, can I start one without a banking, without like a bank or like a credit card? And honestly, I don't think you can. So if you don't have that, I would get your checking, your banking, and credit card information in line. I think you might even be able to start it with like a secured credit card or a debit card. I'm not sure, but definitely sign up for your eBay account. Number 3, you got to find some inventory. In order to start an eBay business, the only reason you're going to make money is because you're buying stuff low and you're selling it high. But when you're first getting started, you don't even have to worry about going to thrift stores or garage sales. Like, you don't even have to worry about flea markets or whatever. Like, you watch all these YouTube videos and people are always talking about all these ways to source inventory, right? Don't even worry about that at first. Just look around your house. Start looking around your house, because most people have anywhere from like $2,000 to $10,000 worth of stuff in their house, and it's worth good money. If you're not sure like how to determine what's like worth money, go onto eBay and just start typing in different items you have around your house. A Sony CD player, Bose speakers, Ralph Lauren blazer, right? Start typing in these items that you have and look it up on eBay, and on the left-hand side, there's a button called Sold Listings. You can actually see what these items are selling for on eBay, and this is a great way to start an eBay business because you're just selling stuff that's lying around the house. Who cares what shipping is? Who cares how much fees are coming out? It's all pure profit. It's junk laying around your house. So don't even worry about thrift stores and Goodwills. And you know, it's funny, speaking of Goodwill, let me show you what we got down here. Can you see that all the way down there? I'm going to try to zoom in for you. Alright, it's not zooming in. It's not focusing, but that's right there. That's a Goodwill. So that's pretty funny. But don't worry about, you know, going to Goodwills or garage sales or any of that stuff at first. Just worry about looking around your house, selling old clothes, old shoes, old electronics, old computer stuff, old video games. That stuff sells for really, really good money. Step number 4. This is big. This is, you know, something that a lot of people get intimidated with when they're starting an eBay business, shipping. okay? So once you start finding this inventory and it sells, you're gonna have to ship it out. So you wanna get some shipping supplies in line. Now, depending upon what you're selling, you're gonna need some basic supplies such as boxes, poly bags, poly mailers, some shipping tape. You might even wanna get yourself a digital scale for like $20 or $30, a printer, a computer, different things like that. Try to just get this stuff on a budget. When you're first getting started, if you're not already having results, like if you're brand new, just like, don't go out and buy a nice camera, just list on your phone. Don't go out and like buy the most expensive laser printer. Just get the cheapest one or use the inkjet that you already have at your house. Use the shipping tape that you find at Walmart. Get some boxes for like 50 cents a box at Walmart. Like, just start this business on a shoestring budget. Don't go out and spend all this money. Once you start selling stuff and getting results, then you can reinvest. That's my sign for reinvesting. You can reinvest back into the business. But at first, just get some basic shipping supplies. Number 5. So I already talked about listing a little bit a second ago, but to go in detail, like don't go into debt like buying cameras and Canon G7Xs and Canon ELPH, point and shoot cameras, or Canon T3Is, DSLR cameras. Don't worry about all that stuff right now. If you have an iPhone or like a current smartphone, that is plenty good for listing on eBay. So list on your phone, right? That's step number 5. So to recap right now, get committed, number 1. Number 2, sign up for an eBay account. Super easy. Number 3, start looking around your house. Get some free inventory, right? Get some profitable inventory lying around your house. Don't be spending money and investing in garage sales and thrift stores. Start gathering stuff around your house. Number 4, get your shipping supplies ready. Number 5, start listing items on the phone, okay? So we got 2 more right now. Number 6, optimize your listings. So now that you're starting to list on your phone and you're hopefully taking good pictures, which is important, take as many pictures as possible, start optimizing your listing. What do I mean by that? Keywords. Keywords are very important. So in your title, let me take a step back. This is the best way to do it. I'm not going to get too deep right now because I know the people watching are just getting started. Study the sold listings. So if you're selling a Ralph Lauren dress shirt, blue, checks and plaid, size extra large, type that into eBay and go to the sold listings and see what's already selling. Find similar items that have sold for really good money. So you're probably going to find that some Ralph Lauren shirts that are exactly like yours are selling for $35. Others are selling for $23, $22. Some are selling for $15. Some are selling for $26. Why is that? It's all about optimization. Some might be buy it now. Some might be auction. Some might be buy it now best offer. One listing might have some really good keywords that people are searching for. One might have an amazing description. One might not offer returns. One might offer 30-day returns. One might have a lot of feedback on their account. Others might not have many, or really an abundance of negative feedback. So optimize your listings. If you just go to my YouTube channel and type in Rake and Profit, selling on eBay, I've got like hundreds of free videos that will like teach you about how to optimize, and it's all 100% free. But that's key. Once you start listing, optimize your listings. And then last but not least, once these items start to sell, start shipping them out. Ship them quickly. A lot of people ask how long should I offer for shipping? 3 days, 5 days? I would do 1-day shipping. And I would ship the fastest you possibly can. Priority, 1-day shipping, or even if it sells the same day, ship it out. Create an amazing experience for the buyers, because when they get that item quick and it's in great condition and it comes in a nice package, nice and clean, you might even want to put a handwritten letter in there saying, hey, thank you so much, you were my first sale. I just want to say I appreciate you so much, and I hope you had an amazing experience. That will get you some positive feedback, and that's important for social proof. The more feedback you have that's positive, the more people are going to trust you. When people are shopping from your eBay store, they don't know who you are. They can't touch the item. They can't feel it. They can't try it on. They don't know if it's broken or what. So that positive feedback is going to help with conversions and help you to make more money in your eBay business. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you enjoy this beautiful view. I'm so sad to be leaving this. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any more tips for beginners or people just getting started on eBay, drop a comment down below. This YouTube channel is all about helping people to start businesses, helping folks to build side hustles and make money and build the freedom that they truly desire. So I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.